eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I like eggs and toast for breakfast. I like eggs and toast for breakfast. I drink orange juice with my meal. I drink orange juice with my meal. I cook pasta for lunch today. I cook pasta for lunch today. I add salt and pepper to my food. I add salt and pepper to my food. I eat fresh fruits every day. I eat fresh fruits every day. I make a sandwich for my snack. I make a sandwich for my snack. I order pizza on weekends. I order pizza on weekends. I drink a cup of tea after dinner. I drink a cup of tea after dinner. That food smells really good. That food smells really good.